This is a fine-scale brass 14XX locomotive, and what a little beautiful example this is. The attention to detail is fabulous, and it's been beautifully painted as well. This is gauge 1, electric, and it's been radio controlled with a TX21, and it's also got sound. To turn the locomotive on, we remove the coal load, and underneath is a little switch frame, and it shows the on-off switch, the charging socket, and the on warning lamp. With the coal load in place, there really is no way you can tell that there are switch gears there. Nowhere on the locomotive is there any indication whatsoever of any radio control switches or aerials. Underneath, however, is a slightly different story. You can see there that there is the loudspeaker. There's the loudspeaker, and the wires going back from the motor and switchgear and sound card through a hole that leads up to the back bunker, which has, of course, the on-off switch and charging socket underneath the coal load. The aerial actually holds the coal load into place and stops us from losing the coal load. So let's start her up. First we put the transmitter on, and then raise the coal, turn on, and you'll hear the hiss of the sound card. You can also see the green light showing it on. Popping the coal load back into place. There are two sound effects that we can control. One is the whistle, and the other is the safety valve blowing off. If we, however, use the remote control from the sound card itself, this transmits an infrared signal to a little infrared eye which is on the bottom, and we have a series of other sound effects. We have long whistle, short whistle, we have guard's whistle, and we have the safety valve. And if we wanted, if there was an air pump, well, there's the Westinghouse air pump, we can turn that off. For the locomotive to move away, we simply now turn the control knob, and away she goes. As she decelerates, the sound will go quieter. And of course, as she builds up steam, the safety valve blows. Well, it doesn't get much better than that.